In the browser, expand the tube and pipe run subassembly, then double-click Run 01 to activate it. On the Pipe Run tab, go to the Manage panel and select the suitable style for your project from the Style drop-down list. Next, on the Pipe Run tab, go to the Route panel and click New Route. Click OK to accept the default route name and the default file location. To start creating the rigid route, go to the Route tab. In the Create panel, click Route. An Autoroute region is a section of a route controlled by the tube and pipe environment. With auto routing, you can create a complete rigid pipe route by selecting only the start point and end point. To define the start point, move the cursor over the union connected to the pump. When the open connection point is highlighted, click to place a node at that location. You can also enter an exact offset from a connection point or edge center point. Move the cursor over the direction arrow and type a value. The Enter Distance dialog box will appear as you begin entering the number. This dialog box can also be opened from the shortcut menu. Next, move the cursor over the union connected to the tank. When the connection arrow appears, click to place the end node. The arrow direction shows how the route will enter that point. If the arrow is pointing in the wrong direction, press spacebar before clicking to reverse the vector direction. When an Autoroute region is needed, Inventor previews a valid route between the start and end points. If more than one route solution is available, the Select Other tool appears. Autoroute options are evaluated based on route length and the number of segments. This information is displayed in a tooltip as you review the available solutions. To cycle through the route options, click the arrows in the Select Other tool. You can also choose an option from the Alternatives drop-down list in the Input Geometry section of the Properties panel. When the 3-segment route is displayed, click the checkmark in the center of the Select Other tool to accept it. The route solution is usually selected during route creation, but it can also be changed later. To do this, right-click an Autoroute region and select Alternate Route Solution. Use the Select Other tool to review the available alternatives. Inventor previews each alternate solution and displays it together with the current route for comparison. When the 3-segment route appears again, click the checkmark in the center of the Select Other tool. To finish the route, right-click in the Graphics window and select Finish Edit. You can also click Finish Route on the Route tab. Inventor will automatically populate the route by adding the required pipe segments and elbows. Autoroute regions can be converted into sketched route segments, but sketched route segments cannot be converted back into Autoroute regions. Since sketched route segments are constrained, they usually update in a more predictable way. Once you are satisfied with the general route layout, you may choose to convert Autoroute regions into sketched route segments.